Hello, how are you? Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Let's get our cup of coffee and start very well. We continue with the resolution of integral exercises. In this case, we have something very particular. We have 5x minus 2 seen an integral multiplied by its dxy. For people who have not seen the previous episode, I invite you to click on it and see it, check it. And because we carefully explain what we need indispensable to solve an integral, correct in this case, we have solved all the exercises up to now, or most of them, by means of the method of rule of the chain or by means of the chain rule. But we also mentioned in the previous episode that there is another path we can take in case it is possible. Okay, in this case, it is a direct formula. Perfect. I would explain to them how do we know when we are going to use a direct formula. You tell me when we have it, when we have exactly the same exercise and who won with the requirements of that specific formula that is identical in a nutshell. Very good. We also explained in previous episodes, more specifically in the previous, to see what we always have within an integral certain terms. Yes, and that it is necessary to paint something like u and the other part as of u. Very well. In this case, what terms do we have? And we have 5x minus 2 seen because of its x. Very well, we observed in the form, and that those there I already put a giant asterisk that we all have to have access to a form, either digital or printed, but it is essential that they have him in order to be able to can practice and can observe what formulas they have, and hey, which ones can be applied, which are the same, which are not, etc. We can note that in the form. We have an integral of u seen by its of u. Okay, we can observe very well in the what the seen of u say in this case. Okay, very well. In this case, we have as u 5x minus 2. You tell me how much is your du derived from minus 2 is 0, because the derivative of any number is 0. Derivative of 5x is 5dx. Okay, very good. In this case, what we have as of u, we have 5 of x. You tell me what we have in which in the equation we are solving in the function of this integral. We have dx, nothing else here. We put a little popcorn to the dx. We put a popcorn on the dx. What we are missing? We would miss this. 5. Agree. The differential must be complete. If you agree, I'm going to copy the equation again. Here at the bottom, we are working with, and we are going to put breast will be the same, x minus 2 for your dx. I'm going to leave room because it's where, let's explain where can we place the 5. We are missing, we can add it so, and remember we can always add numbers. What we cannot add are variable letters or trigonometric functions. We can only add numbers. Very good. That 5 that we need to have complete the du, we can add it here, or we can add it in this other part. Very well, I will proceed to put it in here, attached to the dx, so that they can note that the differential is now complete. We also mentioned that in order to have or to keep balanced our exercise or the inner part de la integral, we have to put it also on the outside. If 0,5 by position is in the numerator on the outside, it should be put in the denominator, and it would be about 1/5. Okay, this 5th is very important because this 5th will be multiplied to the result that we have left with the integral. That is, it is part of the solution. We already have a part. Very good. Then I will put with another color. We already have our u, and we have the du is complete. Agree. We have 5dx minus 2. And now if we have 5dx, this 5dx must be the same. To the part du that I asked us for here at the top, 5dx is complete. We can now perform OLA integral. Okay, very well. Then how the solution would look like? The solution tells us that the sine integral of u is equal to less. U cosine would be less cosine. How much is our u 5x minus 2 worth? Yes, correct. Very well, we finished. No need to add u yet. This 1/5 we have here. Then the solution, how would it be minus 1/5 cosine 5x minus 2? We have not yet finished. Remember to add the integration. Constant minus 1/5 cosine 5x minus 2 plus constant integration. Now we do finish? Yes, this part is the solution of 5 times minus 2 times breast exercise. We are all clear. Yes, very well. I hope it is clear. Yes, they had doubts. I hope they have been resolved. If you have any comments, please add them at the bottom. Also at the bottom of the video, information from the channel. And if you want to contact me, if you have an exam next, if you have any exercises, you are in doubt, please contact me. Take care of yourselves. Practice, drink coffee, rest assured. See you at the next one.